I want to teach you how you can trade a $10 account. If you look at this account, or let's look at the history, I deposited $12 into this account today. I've already lost $3.44 when I took this pound USD trade. So this is the account. Initially wanted to deposit only $10, but for Exness, the minimum you can deposit is $12. If you check the current trades that are running, I have gold, I have pound US dollar, and I have AUD USD. If you look at the gold trade, this is what I see. If you see this, the trend is bullish. The last movement, I used the Fibonacci retracement to measure from here up to that point. And this place coincides with the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Actually, I was supposed to enter this trade lower around, but I didn't see the trade on time. So I had to enter around this period, okay? And the trade is already in profit, although this account is very small for gold. And if you look at it, it is already in profit. Okay, one of the places where I think we can exit this trade, if everything goes fine, I might close this trade around this top. And that is around 64 US dollar in profit with 0.01 lot size. So I just set the take profit there to be 64.22. But I'm not going to keep this trade for days. If by the end of the day, the gold trade has not yet hit that place, I might close it with any profit that I see. So far, so good. We are up. I'm going to update you guys later. A quick update about the trades that we took today. If you look at forexfactory.com, we have high impact news, jolt job opening by 3 p.m. Okay, and this is 2:45 p.m. West African time. So in about 15 minutes, that news will be coming up. So because of that, I will be closing my gold trade now. We took only 0.01. If I had taken maybe 2 micro lots, I would have closed one and left the other one to run. And if it was a big account, stop loss would have been in a good position. But this account is very small and I don't want to risk losing this account. Today is the first day we started this journey. Okay, so I'm going to take the profit on the gold trade. You know, we are still very far away. It is doing well. We are still very far away from our take profit target. But after now, I'll be closing that. Now, if you look at the history here, you see that one of my pound trade also lost. So today I sustained a total loss from pound around $1.79 here and $3.44 there. Although I had to re-enter one of the positions. This is the one with 0.01 lot size. And the other trades are still in profit. Okay, so this is the update about the trades. So I'm still watching for the gold trade. Okay, the momentum is pushing massively upward, but I will be closing it. Okay, so you see it doing well. It is $23 in profit, and this is just micro lot. If you look at this one, it is showing me that it is close to this take profit. Okay, that take profit target is small. Okay, so close one of the pound trade, this one. I'll take profit on that one. So I just closed one of the pound trades. So it has brought our loss to around 84 cents. Now for the second pound trade, at least the stop loss is good, $3. So with that stop loss, whatever, if the news is against US dollar, we will be fine. If this against USD, I might just close it. Okay, so I'm taking out gold trade now. Let me just take that out now. So today, so far, the profit we have made, after taking away all the losses, we have made $20 profit on this account. Okay, so guys, watch out for updates I want to quickly give you an update concerning the trades. Right now, this is 3:56 p.m. West African time. And if you look at gold, look at the gold trade we took. Okay, remember we took our profit because of the high impact news that was coming. And after the news, the trade still keep going towards our direction, but I did not have to jump into the trade because the right place to enter this trade was this area where we entered. Okay, so I don't have to jump into that trade. The only time I can re-enter this trade, if it breaks this resistance and gives me another retracement, then we can think of gold. But for now, look at Bitcoin. I saw this Bitcoin setup and it was looking good, so I had to enter it. Remember, this is the same pattern I saw on gold. Okay, so I used the Fibonacci retracement. What I did was look at the trend line there. I measured from the beginning of that impulse move, and what I saw was that it came to the 61.8, bounced from there and started going forward. I had to enter the trade there. I would have entered exactly as the 61.8 fib level, but well, where we entered is still okay. Stop loss is just there, and the trade is in profit. If you look at it here, it has given us 5 point something dollar as our profit. We took only 0.01 lot size. The balance is around $33, while equity is $42. Okay, so the trade is doing well. At the end of the day, we are going to close all the running trades and continue again tomorrow. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I want you to click the subscribe button and be a part of the community. If you have any question concerning what we are doing, you can ask a question in the comment. Drop a comment, say something in the comment. Okay, and I would really appreciate you for doing that. I want to tell you what happened as I have closed all the trade. If you look at the trading history, we started with $12. We made a profit. We closed that gold trade. And then I had to withdraw $5 because I learned from my mentor when I was learning how to trade that whenever you make profit, at least take out something. Even if this is a $12 account, I had to withdraw $5 because any money in the MetaTrader is not your money. The one you have withdrawn, that is what you have. So if this $5 is enough to buy cards and to recharge data for tomorrow. So I had to take that out. Okay. So if you look at the history, this is what we have here. So we made a profit of $26.91 on this $12 account. And here the balance is remaining 33.91 US dollar. Now, there are two blunders that I made today. If you go back to the history, you look at this Bitcoin trade. Remember, our analysis was top notch. If you take this trend line and mark from here, this was the place we entered the trade. If you use the Fibonacci retracement and measure, our entry point was around the 61.8 Fibonacci level, which we entered the trade somewhere here. Okay, and the blunder is that I did not wait for the trade. I had to close the trade because it's our day one and the account is small. I did not have to be greedy. So I had to take out that trade. So this was number one blunder. The second blunder was the gold trade. So I left so much money today. We took this gold trade here. If you look at it, we took it around this point. And then I had to close here with $21. But it had to go all the way up there. Remember, here would have given us 60-something dollar, but all things are good. We already made a withdrawal of $5 there. And then we have made some profit. And we have capital of $33.91 to face tomorrow trading. If you want to know how to use Fibonacci retracement to trade, I did that Fibonacci retracement video long time ago. It is one of my oldest video and it's on this channel. You can watch that video. It will summarize how you can trade using Fibonacci retracement because that is the method I am using to trade right here. So you can watch that Fibonacci retracement video on the channel. Okay, and then let's continue this tomorrow.